guys, I'm back again. This time I'm not going to be answering anything. I'm going to be throwing a contest. I'm going to be throwing a contest in honor of my birds going to the Super Bowl. Some of you may know or may not know, I was born and raised in Philadelphia, so my favorite team is the Eagles. I've been in Kansas City since 97-ish, so first 27 years I spent in Philadelphia. So I figured, what the hell? A lot of contests are coming to an end, so I figured I'd throw one out there. This will be for, I don't know, 30 bucks, Amazon card or Amazon card through the email, depending on where you're from. United States is easy. I can give you the a code card. If you're in Europe or Canada or outside the United States, I have to send it to you via through email, through Amazon. It'll be $30 US. Might throw something else in the mix too, depends. But what the contest is going to be, again, it's for my birds. You have to give me 5 albums. Sorry, thirsty. You have to give me 5 albums with either a bird on the cover. Has to be prominent. It can't be like this little tiny bird in the corner. It has to be visible on the album when you first look at it. You can use a band name that's a bird, or you can use a song name with a bird in it. It has to be a specific bird name, like eagle, finch, sparrow, something, cardinal, something like that. Okay. The first 5, you have to give me at least one band. Now, I won't do that. Let's just make it any of those. 5 covers showing a bird, a prominent bird. Like I said, it can't be a tiny corner. It has to be good size, noticeable. A band name that's a bird, or a song title with a bird name into it. And I'll show you a few examples here. The ones I'm using, you can use them as one, I don't care. Also, as a bonus, for every 5 you give me, I'll give you another entry into the contest. So if you give me 10, you get 2. If you give me 15, you get 3. You give me 20, you get 4. I'm going to cap it at 20, so if somebody doesn't have 85. Hope that's not too loud. But I'm going to show you some quick examples. I'll show you a song title first, and that's the album band Banshee. On their well, this is a reissue, but on their album Race Against Time, there's an instrumental called Circular Flight of the One-Winged Sparrow. Like sparrow is a bird name, a specific bird name. As for a band name, band is called Hawk. Bird is a hawk. Now, some examples of what you can use. TT Quick Medal of Honor has an eagle on the top of the medal there. You can use that. Sons of Apollo has a eagle as part of the emblem or insignia or crest, whatever you want to call it. Wasp Golgothia, you can see it right in the middle there, is a bird. And that's about the size I'd be looking for, something like that. Unlace the Archer has a bird right against their name. Again, that's about the size of the wasp. And if you have a cover with a bunch of birds on it, I'll take that too. And finally, the Screaming Eagle from Judas Priest, Screaming for Vengeance. Now all you got to do to enter is be sub to my channel. Don't sub and leave after the contest. It's kind of a dick move. You need to, again, a song title with a specific bird name in it. A band name that's a bird name. It could be Black Blue Jays, I don't care. As long as it has the specific bird title. Or album covers showing birds. Pretty simple, cut and dry. I'm going to run this until the end of February. So you got plenty of time. And that's simple, guys. Just going to get some love for my birds. Even if you hate the Eagles, you can get in a contest and still win some money. So how about that one? Again, simple, easy contest. Not a lot of thinking to it. I'm trying to do something simple because I know a lot of these contests you got to do a lot of thinking and a lot of explaining. I just want to see your 5-10 minute videos. Again, max cap is 20, is 4 entries. So get her done and go birds.